Hi guys, my name is Lucky Soni here, and today I came with my new life learning. Okay, so today my life learning is thought in action. Okay, so possibly you may not able to understand what exactly I would like to say as part of thought in action. Just let me start from the current scenario, and then I will go in the history. Okay, so you will understand why exactly I am going from the current time to the history. Okay, so let's get started. Guys, we was thinking like we should have a very good schedule as part of our life. We would like to have very good utilization of our day. We would like to wake up early morning in a time. We would like to do some very good exercise. We would like to meditate. We would like to read the book. We would like to go through some yoga, pranayam, all the good habits, and we would like to get the maximum productivity as part of our life. Okay, we would like to achieve all the success as part of our life. But what was happening, everything was just the thinking. Okay, and you can understand if your thinking is not going to help you out only. Yeah, it's a very good initiative. If you are able to think, you can do it also. But if you are only thinking, if you are not taking the action, definitely that is not going to help you out. Now come to the conclusion. Okay, why exactly we are able to do it right now? Okay, so you have seen that now Tausif sir have kept lots of efforts in case of us. He know the proper way to deal with such kind of situations. He came up with the 21 days Facebook sessions where people will adopting the stuff slowly. Like they first of all we got the opportunity to do become a punctual for their sessions. We was become a regular for attending their sessions. We was following their instructions. We was trying to interconnect our life with the help of his session. Once he identified we are really good enough and we was able to achieve as part of our 21 days of basic transformation, he introduced the next level of transformation, which is advanced life transformation, where he tried to introduce the different kind of levels where we can grow ourselves. Like he asked us to wake up early morning, do the meditation, show your gratitude, go for the affirmation, go do some pranayam kind of stuff. And we was having the actioners, we was having the habit of reading the books, the evening workout, winner workout we know. And he even for the getting more better confidence in front of camera, we come across this video recording sessions. Yeah, so guys, you can understand this was the proper planning and how exactly we learn those things as part of Tosif's efforts. Okay, now this is the current scenario where we was able to convert, or we are able to convert our thoughts into the action. Even in case of me, I decided to become a developer. I was working in a support and I kept huge amount of efforts. After keeping these efforts, I got paid off and finally I'm working as a developer. Even after joining the company, I realized that I am not working for up-to-date technology. Okay, for that purpose, what I have did, I started freelancing, and as part of freelancing, I learned lots of stuffs. Okay, even I thought of okay, let's do for the next level. I went through some cloud kind of technologies as well. Yeah guys, so actually first of all I covered the learning which I have got as part of Toshif sir, the learning which I have shared as part of myself. Now come to the today is a Independence Day. So how exactly Independence Day also connected to my thought into the action. See, we was not independent, and most of peoples who belong from our India decided to get independence. They kept lots of hard work. Personally in 1820 they decided to get independent. Okay, they start keeping the efforts. You know how much time it has been taken. It's taken more than 120 years to come to that point. Okay, so see, it's not a one day thing which people are thinking and able to do. No guys, first of all you have to think, you have to find out your appropriate plan, you have to work on plan. If you are unable to achieve the success as part of your plan, try to do planning in a more better way, try to take action in a more better way, and try to convert your action which can help you to achieve your success. Yeah guys, so this is was my key learning, how exactly you can convert your thought into the action. And as part of this learning, I think so you can interconnect your life and you can become success in your life. Thank you so much guys.